Hi there, and welcome back to Twinkl's How to Draw series. Today, we'll be learning how to draw a super cute squirrel. We'll be starting off by using a pencil to draw some basic shapes before using a pen to create the final lines. So make sure you have everything you need to get going, and let's get started. To start, pick up your pencil and create an oval shape near the top of your page. This is going to be your squirrel's head. From the bottom of this, draw a much bigger oval for the body. Inside the oval you've just drawn, add in another circle towards the bottom. Although it looks a bit weird drawing all of these shapes, they'll soon come together to give us a better idea of the squirrel's body shape. So, from the bottom of your last circle, draw a straight line before creating a semicircle back towards the body. Now you can see that this is going to be the squirrel's foot. Towards the top of the body, draw a curved line to act as the arm, before taking your pencil to the other side of the body and sketching a long line that turns into a cool spiral. To make this look more tail-like, draw another line connecting the spiral to the bottom of the body. Now it looks far more squirrel-like with its big bushy tail. To add some facial features, draw a curved line on top of the head for your squirrel's ears, a circle for the eye, a little round nose, and of course a curved line for the smile. Now we've completed the first part of our drawing, did you know that almost 80% of our viewers aren't subscribed to our channel? Why don't you hit that subscribe button? And don't forget to also press the bell button so you're the first to know when we next upload. Right, it's time to pick up your pen and add some detail. So we're going to start off by tracing over the ear and continuing the line around the head, adding in a little bump for when the nose is, and of course following the curve so your squirrel has a smile. Draw over the circle you made for the eye, this time adding in a black dot in the middle. Next, move on to the line you created for the arm. Drawing a line just above the one you sketched earlier, add in a few little fingers at the end before joining it up with the original line. Of course, one of the most important parts of a squirrel's body is its legs. How else will it climb all of those trees? To complete the legs, draw a line going from halfway down the lopsided oval to just before the bottom on the other side, adding in some little curves to show that your squirrel is furry. From there, take your pen back on itself and add in the foot, finishing with a straight line to the base of the tail. Before you move on to the big bushy tail, make sure you fill in any gaps on the body, and of course, remember to trace over the line you made for his back. When your line reaches the start of the tail, you can begin the outline to the big curve, adding in more fur details to show just how fluffy he is. Then, of course, you can complete the spiral, before finishing the tail's line to the base of the squirrel, adding in more curves for the fur as you go. Now we have the amazing outline for our squirrel, it's time to add some details. So, firstly, one of the most important features, whiskers. Draw some lines just above the mouth to add these. Inside the ear, draw a shape that's almost like a backwards S, before creating some wiggles and bringing the line back up. Perhaps you might like to draw some lines on the squirrel's foot so it looks like he has toes, and little lines on his hands so you can see his claws. Now, can you think of what it is that squirrels absolutely love to find, bury and eat? Nuts, of course! To add an acorn into the squirrel's hands, draw a little curve before using a semicircle shape to join the lines back together. From the bottom of the acorn, draw another semicircle shape, however, drawing it to a point at the very bottom. To finalise your amazing squirrel, draw some little speckles throughout the body, just to show how fluffy his fur is. And there you have it, your finished squirrel. We hope you enjoyed your time here at Twinkl Kids TV today, and don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell button, and we'll see you next time.